We're gonna need some plates, yeah.
I kind of want to share my wish because it would affect them.
Oh, does it? Oh, no.
Yeah, it's a good one. I know, I just wish that we have no more cloud issues for the next 2 weeks.
That's your whole birthday
That's
wish
not your
for the
birthday?
year? Wow, that's pretty heavy.
That looks so good.
Oh my goodness,
It
yeah.
does.
I have to Facebook this moment.
Yeah, you do.
You really do.
She's Facebooking it. Let's not cut it quite yet. Oh, do we have a knife?
Okay.
Yeah, it's a knife right there.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Oh, I see it right here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
That's okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
And we do the one where she
Yeah.
can't say anything until she finishes the first piece, or no? I guess we won't do that.
Just cut like right here.
You can roll your name, huh?
How did you guys keep a straight face? That's okay. I'm like, why is that going?
That's
Break
one
this
tough
down.
cake, I'll tell you.
It's gonna explode.
Don't wreck the knife.
I'm sorry, I know.
Is it cement?
Try another section, maybe it's
Yeah,
softer.
cut another side.
Oh, that's much better, yeah, that's.
Oh, wait a minute.
Wow.
No.
Okay.
How about you just lick the frosting off?
I'm tempted to scrape it off the side. Is it wood? No, not. Nope, still just as hard. This is great. Wait, wait.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't get inside.
Okay.
No, we're completely solid, people.
Yeah. Well, maybe next year.
Yeah, let's help you
Oh
out.
my gosh.
April Fools!
Great.
That was great.
Cute.
Oh.
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! You guys are rats. You have to Facebook that too.
Good old
That was too clever.
Put it in the box.
Oh my gosh!
Good old Pinterest.
I was going. Wow.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And we were
Oh,
first
man.
one
Oh,
to
that
do.
was